Ukrainian drone operators get to clean the battlefield from Russian ammunition and equipment. While they have become expert in this, it's most of the time not as easy as it looks, hitting moving targets or dropping ordnance dozens of meters down to hit with pinpoint accuracy. But due to Russia's poor logistics and training, sometimes the job for Ukrainian drone operator isn't that hard, as Russia keeps leaving large piles of ammunition or mines out in the open, often not even hiding them by trees as seen in this video. But while the hit isn't that hard this time, the Ukrainian drone was lost in the mission due to the massive explosion, created by Russia's troops' incompetence, letting less mines be placed on the front line, letting an easier breakthrough be possible. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.